hospitality industry has to be very punctual. Right, Waki?
That's right.
Yes. Which brings us to our first game, which is, why are you late? This game will be played by Chico, Chelly, Ralph, Ren, and Jay. So for this game, we're gonna ask Chelly to please leave the room because they are our late student. And they have the most difficult role. Everyone say goodbye. Bye, Chelly.
Bye, Chelly.
They have a very difficult role of figuring out why they were late. And there were 3 reasons. Something terrible happened at home. Something terrible happened at home. That's why their alarm didn't wake up or whatever. Second, since they, woke up late, they have to take a crazy form of transportation to get to school. But on their way, 3, they met someone amazing, a celebrity, a cartoon, anyone. And to determine these 3 things, we need all of your help. So please, audience, what's something terrible that could have happened at home? Loud, please. Sir, what did you say?
An exploding toilet.
Oh my goodness. I've heard of explosive diarrhea, but not an exploding toilet. One more, or are we happy with that one? We're happy, okay. Their toilet exploded at home. Oh my gosh. All right, now that we know what happened at home, what transportation did they take going to school? Can I ask this side of the room? Something crazy. A private jet? Damn. We bougie. Okay, I'll get private jet, I mean, the original Uber was luxurious, right? All right, who was the celebrity they met on their way? So many famous people I'm hearing. But I'm gonna pick Jerry from Tom and Jerry. Yeah. Because mice are very bihira lang in our hotel. Wow.
You don't want to see that.
To review, the toilet exploded at home, so Chelly had to take a private jet. But on their way there, they met Jerry from Tom and Jerry somehow. With that, can we call Chelly into our room?
Wait.
What? Oh, right. Sorry, I forgot something. We need your help, pala. I forgot. So if Chelly is close to the right guess, we need the audience to go, yeah, woo, cheer, woo! But if Chelly is really far from the guess, you gotta go boo. Yeah. Let them have it. You're wrong. Okay. And if they're close, you can just say,
Yeah.
It's intuitive. You get it. All right. This is Why Are You Late? Can we have Chelly back into the room?
Hello and welcome, my dear students. Welcome to our very first boxing class. And today we will learn the fundamentals. Miss Chelly, stand over here. Now, Miss Chelly, why are you late for our first day of boxing?